Hello, mathematicians. All right, you did an amazing job playing Prove It yesterday. And you remembered to circle which one was greater and cross off the one that was less. Today in math, we're going to switch gears a little. That means we're going to try something different. And if you ask me, it's kind of silly. So in the beginning of the year, before we started our math books, we did some sorting. I don't know if you remember. We would sort objects into different piles and tell how we sorted by color or by shape, right? That's how you got some of those math things at home. We're going to be doing something called classifying today, which is just like sorting, except our math program has a very funny way, if you ask me, of sorting things. So this first page says to use counters, but we're not going to use counters. We're going to use our pencil. So you're going to put your name up at the top first. I'll get it someday. All right, and then we have to look at this picture here. There's a whole bunch of different trees, right? There's a whole bunch of different trees. Some of them are red, some of them are yellow, and some of them are orange. Well, when we sorted, we would make like a pile of red, a pile of yellow, a pile of orange, right? Well, in our math program, instead of doing that, what they do is they just look at it and say, some are yellow, some are not. Just yellow or not yellow. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle all the trees that are yellow. Circle, circle. And if they're not yellow, we're going to cross them off. Get out of here. You're not yellow. Yellow or not yellow. Isn't that kind of a silly way of sorting? So I went really fast. Take your time and circle nicely. But your job on the front is really just to circle yellow and cross off not yellow. All right, let's take a look at the next page. I told you this math was a little bit funny. Look up here at the top. What do these objects have in common? The ones that are circled. They are all green. That's right. So our job up top here is to circle the ones that are green, cross out the ones that are not green. I hope you're laughing. I hope you think it's silly too. Green, 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 not green, not green. Isn't today's math silly? Okay. If you're not done, just press pause, no problem. We're gonna go on the next one. Do you see how there's a blue line? We're just gonna look at these animals on top of the blue line. We're gonna circle the animals that are brown. And we're gonna cross out the animals that are not brown. Is this one brown? brown, 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 brown. Not brown, not brown. Silly, right? All right, on the bottom, we're gonna circle the animals that have wings. Circle the ones that have wings. And guess what? If they don't have wings, put an X on them. Wings. Does yours look like mine? I told you this was silly. Okay. Your turn. You don't need me anymore. Let's go on to the next page. I'll tell you the job and you can do it. You don't need me. All right, you see these piggies? You're going to circle the pigs that have spots. And then guess what? You're going to put an X on the pigs that don't have spots. And then you're going to circle the blocks that have letters. And then you're going to put an X. You're going to cross out the blocks that don't have letters. And the last one on this one, you're going to circle the animals that have tails. And you're going to cross off the animals that don't have tails. All right, hang in there. Last job. On the back. On top, you're going to circle the dogs that are black. Cross off the dogs that are not black. That's easy, right? The bottom is trickier. You get to choose. Some are not. So you can't do black, not black. What's another thing you could sort them by? You're going to circle all the animals that are dogs and cross off the ones that are not dogs. No, don't do that because guess what? They're all dogs. You pick. You have to pick a category, circle the ones that go in that category and cross off the ones that don't. Let's see if I can guess how you did it. Think I'll be able to. And that's it. That's all of math today. Told you it was easy peasy. I can't wait to see how you pick to sort those dogs. I can't wait to see some good work. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Off you go.